there is an information that appears on the document signifying the date on which the application was completed.
Athi kumshushisi ukhona ilanga lapha futhi nemininingwane ekhona ilanga lelibhaliwe lapha yana ilanga leliwakhipha ngalo lemininingwane ebhaliwe kulela khasi. Ukusho ukuthi
this is not an objection per se, but the state needs to be very specific. It should not speak of a date when there is no date in that form. That is 2013-6.
2013-6.
Yes.
Hello?
That's what we agreed. No one mentioned the date. It's the month and the year.
so lenqaba ke umeli ukuthi ithimba labashushisi alikhuluma inkulumo eqondile ngoba ngakhulumi ngelanga kepha ilanga ube alibhaliwe lapha yathi sithombe esijangakalayo kulela TV ngoba babhale umnyaka nenyanga nje kuphela kepha ilanga alibhaliwe.
Date is not there on the document.
It's just the month and the year, my lord.
Mr. Nisi says you must add 6 or whatever. What must he add?
No, I am saying the state should not put it to the witness and say that is the date on which that application was made.
Yeah.
Because there's no date in that form. It's only 2013-6.
Hey, we're arguing about small things.
It's very big, madam.
13-6 is a date because it pertains to a month.
What date is it, madam?
6.
6 of which month?
Yeah, you can ask that.
Yes.
He says that document. It says 6 it says 16. What does it say?
No, it says 2013-6.
2013. The year
6.
is 2013, obviously.
Yes, madam.
Right?
And then there is the -6. And then it is
dash, is it
empty.
the month say or what? -6, what is it?
Oh, we don't know.
We'll refer to the next document that will, but it should be a month, my lord, but we'll refer to the next document.
Okay.
If that date can be placed on record, Mr. Nzana.
Now, what is this document about? The state is referring to another document, but we're not being informed what document is this. All of a sudden, the date is
I don't
placed
know.
on record.
My lord, this forms part of the Standard Bank bundle that was given to the defense. It forms part of Exhibit EE7. All the pages were numbered. From the first page, the document consists of 58 pages.
58 pages.
Yes, 58
So the defense
pages.
has got those
Yes.
58 pages, all of them.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And this information that we're referring to now appears on page 18 of this bundle.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, if you can just read that into the record.
My lord, I see, I'm not sure, but and I stand to be corrected. There are 2 dates there, if I'm not mistaken. So which one is the state referring
The
to?
one at the bottom right.
The date reads as follows: 2013 dash. And I can't see there whether is it 0 or it's 1. But then after the 2 numbers is dash, then it's 11. Bengathi mshushisi bathi ufunde lana ezantsi. Manje ngitshela ukuthi lana akubonakali lutho ngoba ngibona umnyaka la phakathi nendawo angiboni sekune dash sengibona u-11. Yes, this is
Now, that is the challenge that the state has. That very same form has got 2013-6. And right at the bottom, there is 2013, I don't know what is there, but I think there's an 11 at the end. Then the state chooses that this witness, that into record it must be read that 2013-06/11. Now the challenge that the state has, Madam, is why does it choose to place that date on record and not the other one which does not have that one which ends with 2013-06? That basically is indicative of the fact, my lord, that there's a problem with this form that the state seeks to introduce. In as much as it
It
was
has introduced this form, according to Mr. Malui. He says it was long introduced.
yes, my lord, yes.
Yeah, okay, fine.
And thanks to the state that now it is revisiting this form, and we are now able to identify the defects in this form.
Yes.
Yes. And these defects must then be explained for it to form proper evidence before court, my lord, because as it is now, it is very defective. At one point, it's talking of 2013-06. At one point, it's talking about 2013-06/11. So which one must we go with? Is that 11 something that was added after this form was completed or what? That form is very defective. It needs to be authenticated, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
uyanqaba ke ummeli ukuthi umshushisi aqhubeke futhi abuze ke lo mbuzo mayelana nodaba lwedocument elikhona ngalana lesikhangiso ngoba athi qala khona ikhasi lokuqala kade besitshengise lona khona kule sikhangiso la kade kubhalwe khona umnyaka ukuthi 2013 mase bathi kwabe nesikhala phakathi noma kwano dash ke ngesingisi bese ngale kwa dash kwase kuba no 06 kwaphina futhi kwaba no dash ke kepha ngale kwa dash akusina lutho olubhaliwe manje mabathi itolika ayiphinde futhi ifunde ilanga lelivelile ngenzansi bese ngafunda ukuthi lapha babhale umnyaka 2013 bathi dash bese khona okubhaliwe okubili kepha angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe liphiki ilanga ngoba akujengakali kahle okubhaliwe mhlawumbe akuvelile kahle ukuthi kahle babhale liphi ilanga bese ngale egcineni kwaba no dash bese ngale ko dash bajobelela u11 manje uyanqaba ukuthi kahle kahle la kunephutha manje iphutha leli akazi ukuthi ubani olenzile futhi liqhamuke kanjani ke kepha manje futhi nokuthi ubani ujobelele elo 11 okhona ngale kepha kulekule khasi lokuqala kade u11 ungekho manje kumele basho inkulumo yabeqondile futhi eshaya isikhongosini ukuthi kahle kahle inhloso yabo ebangela ukuthi noma embangela isizathu sabo ukuthi bakhulume document city.
Well, really, we don't want the court's time to be taken up by this matter. The most important point that the state wanted to make was with regards to the number, which is now on record, and that is sufficient for the state purposes, my lord. Just the number that we wanted to put on record.
Umshushisi yasho ukuthi bona iphuzu la iphuzu kade beqhamukisa la enkantolo lo mayelana nodaba lwezinombolo kepha alukho mayelana nodaba losuku noma ilanga elibhaliwe ngaphakathi kula document noma umnyaka futhi nenyanga ebhaliwe.
Final one. A number that is contained in a defective form. How authentic that number is when it is contained in a defective form?
Uyasho futhi umelthi futhi okugcina ke nayo kuyakunqaba lokuthi inombolo zocingo ebhaliwe ngaphakathi kwale form kepha ke form lakhona ke linamaphutha manje isiqiniseko sokuthi kahle kahle inombolo zibhalwe ngaliphilanga asisazi.
My lord, should this issue really be of importance to anyone, Standard Bank can make a supplementary affidavit just explaining this issue. But can we then move on?
Okay.
Uyasho umshushisi futhi ukuthi ibhange leStandard Bank ekhona incwadi bayibhala ephelekeza noma elekelela lenkulumo ekhona ngaphakathi kwale document yemibukiso ka-EEE7 ukuthi inkulumo yakhona ke bayibhala ngaphansi kwesifungo iaffidavit ke ngesingisi.
Yes, sir.
My lord, earlier on when we were giving the document that was shown to us from the witness, my lord, I recorded or made submissions to the court that the record reflects the computer-generated information, and which is the same information that is depicted in this exhibit, which has now been marked as EEE 7A. My lord, during lunchtime when we compared the exhibits with the state, we realized that the one that was shown to the witness, it was not clear than the one that is now depicted into the into the court, and the one that has been referred to now. My Lord, I would request to make the corrections of my observations earlier on from that hard copy document wherein I said it is a computer generated information. My Lord, you can see from the document as depicted now that it's a handwritten document, not a computer generated document, as I have made observations earlier on. Okay, thank you.
Ummeli bekathanda ukuthi akhulume ngenkulumo ekhulunywe mhlambe eqhampile ngaphambi ukuthi siphume ke sathe ilunch lasemini inkulumo yakhona ehamba ngalendlela elandelayo. Athi khona ke inombolo zocingo ukuthi ezingaphakathi kwedocument leli abashushisi ade becela ukuthi icela ukuthi ulibuke futhi ulibukisise kahleke bese ngemuva kwalokho ufunde inombolo ezibhaliwe ngaphakathi kwedocument lakhona. Bese wakhona kungazwani kahle phakathi kwabameli mayelana nokuthi idocument leli libhalwe ngesandla noma kade libhalwe ngecomputer, futhi umuntu okhona bekalitype ecomputerni na. Manje yasho khona njalo ngemuva kokuthi abukisise kahle idocument leli endwela ngaphansi kwemibukiso ka E7A ukuthi ke ama exhibit ke lawo athi lapha into eqaphile ukuthi lokho okubhaliwe la ngaphakathi kwedocument leli elwela ngaphansi kwemibukiso ka E7 ukuthi la kuleli form kubhalwe khona ke ngesandla kepha akutyhatshiwe ngecomputer. Yilokho beyafisa ukuthi yenze isilungiso sakho ummeli.
As the court pleases, Mr. Sibiya, all that you wanted to place on record was that the number that has already been placed on record. Do you agree that that is the number that you were using at the time?
Umshushisi bekabuza kwena ke mnumzana ukuthi inombolo zecingo lezi ake zifundwa la ngaphambi kwenkantolo futhi eziconnect lesikhangiso ngabe yizo yini inombolo zecingo lwakho kade usebenzisa ngesikhathi lesi? Which time?
As indicated on the form, during June 2013.
But isikhathi lesibhaliwe ngaphakathi kulela ngaphakathi kwedocument noma ngaphakathi kweform ngomnyaka ka2013.
Ngoba ungizombuza ukuthi lo 2013 owani mina 2008 mangisebenza eJB Casting kwakumele ngibe neStandard Bank, so na Standard Bank engazivulayo engangihola ngaso eJB Casting 2008. That's why ngizongibuza lo 2013 ukuthi ungowani.
The reason as to why I am asking this question as to which year are you referring to, my lord, it is because of the following reason. During the year 2013, I was working under the JB Casting. During the year 2008, my apologies, point of correction, I was working under the JB Casting. At the JB Casting, I was then requested to have a bank account. The bank account in which they were going to make a payment into.
Yes.
That is when I then went to the Standard Bank to open up a Standard Bank account.
Yes.
Then that is the account in which I was getting payment from.
Yes. Mr. Sibiya.
Then during the year 2013, 2013,
bengibuza ukuthi lo 2013 owani.
I was asking about the year 2013. What is it for?
Yes. Mr. Sibiya, just to move on this aspect, you are correct. In Exhibit E7 on page 16 thereof, it indicates that your Standard Bank account was opened on the 29th of February 2008.
Umshushisi yasho ukuthi uqinisile ngoba kule mbukiso edocument elikhona ngaphakathi kwa E7 ngaphansi kwekhasi le16 kukhona lapho lokho ukuthi iaccount lakho lase Standard Bank walivula ngelanga lange 29 zaka February ngomnyaka ka2008,
on which no contact number appears.
Athi futhi akukho la kutshengakala khona inombolo zocingo.
But then in June of 2013, you completed a form which appears to be life policy or credit up credit life application which contains this number that you've that has just been placed on record.
Athi ngomnyaka ka-2013 waya lapha ebhange ngesikhathi bovula khona mhlawumbe singabaneke noma mhlawumbe i-life policy noma i-credited life application yesicelo sakho, athi kula khona wabanikeza inombolo lezi zocingo.
Mina i-policy yami bengiyivule e-Nedbank.
I opened up my policy under the Nedbank, no at Nedbank,
Hayi Standard Bank.
however not in a Standard Bank.
Thank you. We'll leave the matter at that.
Athi yabonga-ke songeke siyoleka khona lapho lolo daba.
Can we then deal with the events of the 30th of June? I'm sorry, 30th of May 2020?
Uyabonga ukuthi manje sigxinize kudaba noma mhlawumbe isigameko senzeka ngelanga lange-30 zakaMeyi ngomnyaka ka-2020.
That is now during your arrest.
Athi kulesikhathi owaboshwa ngaso noma ngesikhathi owaboshwa ngaso.
Yeah.
Yes.
In this regard, I just wish to draw your attention to the version that was placed on record by your then legal representative, Mr. Ramsipili.
Athi kulelo phuzelo khona-ke udaba
When
ngathanda ukuthi
cross-examining Ms. Zandile Khumalo,
athi khona inkulumo eyakhulunywa ummeli wakho kade ekumele kuqala umnomzana oRamsipili ngesikhathi bekabuza-ke uZandile Khumalo imibuzo.
Yeah.
Yes.
and I wish to refer you to the proceedings of the 20th of July 2023, page 61.
Athi ucela ukuthatha umkhumbulo wakho awunikise emuva kodaba olwenzeka ngelanga lange-20 zakaJulayi ngomnyaka ka-2023 oshicilelwe la inkantolo ngaphansi kwekhasi les-61.
Yeah.
Yes.
This version boils down to the following.
Athi inkulumo lena-ke izohamba ngendlela elandelayo noma ihamba ngale ndlela elandelayo.
That you resided with your uncle at a rented room in Tembisa.
My apologies, my lord, under
It appears in the middle where
under line 10 of paragraph 10. Thank you for the indulgence.
yes, the version is to the effect that you were residing with your uncle at a rented room in Tembisa.
Athi la kubhala ukuthi kade uhlala nomalume wakho ke kumuzi kade aqashe kuona ngaphansi kwelokishi yaseThembisa.
Yeah.
Yes.
You went to buy airtime, you met one boy and his brother. You went to Sipo's place.
Kade uhambile uye itolo uyothenga i-airtime la wahlangana khona ke nomuntu omiza ukuthi igama lakhe uBoy futhi nomfowabo bese emuva kwalokho khona hamba na kumuzi kaSipho.
Akusiyo umfowabo.
It is not his brother.
Yes, that is a version that was put to Ms. Zandile Khumalo.
Athi inkulumo eyakhulunywa kuZandile Khumalo.
Kodwa akusiyo umfowabo.
However, it is not his brother.
Sorry, boy and brother.
Usho ukuthi boy futhi nobhuti.
Nobhuti.
Yes, boy and a brother.
Right, and that you went to Sipo's place.
Bese emuva kwalokho nahamba na kumuzi kaSipho noma ekhaya la kaSipho.
Ngabafica bemile khona kwaSipho vele.
I found them standing by a supposed place already.
There a female driver and 2 male occupants.
Bese ke owesimame atashayela imoto futhi nabagibeli ababili.
Just before that, the Volkswagen sedan parked at a convenience shop.
Bathi imoto kade kuyi emhlophe ngokombala Volkswagen VW yafika isedan yamaduze nendawo laphana elokishini eduze nesitolo sama-Pakistan.
There's a word that is used, we're not going to put that on record. Then a female driver and 2 male occupants. 1 passenger left to buy a bottle of water and banana.
Bathi lapho ke umshayeli wemoto funali nabagibeli ade begibele umshayeli wemoto ade umuntu wesifazana owesilababili besilisa ade kubagibeli bemoto bese ke lapha behla ngaphakathi kwemoto baya oyedwa othenga ke ibhodlela lamanzi esitolo futhi nabo banana
Then
babuya.
Metro Police officer with a rifle, a firearm, went to the Golf.
Bathi iphoyisa lase-Metropolis ade liphethe isibhamukulo nakhe lahamba langaphakathi kwemoto athi igolf enombala obomvu.
The Metro Police officer crossed the road
Iphoyisa le-Metropolis bese leqa umgwaqo
and approached you.
bese leza la kuwena.
Then several other Metro officers with rifles joined them.
Bathi amanye amaphoyisa akade akhona emaningi phethe ibhamu lezi ezinkulu abayibiza ukuthi urifle bese babafika lapha kibo
You were ordered to lie down.
bese baniphoqa ukuthi ninake nilale phansi.
Each one of you was asked as to where they come from.
Bathi omunye ngamunye wenu bese babuza ke yena ukuthi ngabe usuka kuphi nendawo.
You mentioned that you are from Mahlabathini in KwaZulu-Natal.
Bathi wena ke wakhuluma ukuthi uqhamuka emahlabathini ngaphansi kwesifundazwe sokwaZulu Natal.
You were searched and phones were confiscated.
Bakusesha ngemuva ukuthi bakuseshe bese bathatha ka umakhalekhukhwini bakho.
You were then taken to the car that was parked across the street.
Bese ngemuva kwalokho bathatha bakunikisa emotweni kade ime ngale komgwaqo.
Then you mentioned that there were several police cars, you say between 10 and 15.
Bathi wena ke washo ukuthi kade kukhona imoto zamaphoyisa eziningi mhlawumbe ke ngokwezibalo imoto ezishumi ukuya ku15 noma imoto eziwu10 ukuyeni kwemoto eziwu15.
All units, Metro Police, intelligence, and only the Ekurhuleni Metro Police department car was marked.
Bathi sekade khona amaphoyisa amaningi futhi ahlukene Ekurhuleni Metropolis futhi naba intelligent kepha kade kuyimoto eyodwa vo yakalapha imoto vo eya Metropolis kade iqaphiwe kuyona noma kade imakhiwe.
Now, in your evidence in chief, Mr. Sibiya, you mentioned that the police cars were 7 and above.
Bathi ngesikhathi lesumile ukhoda kubuza kwemibuzo wena uphendule washo ukuthi imoto kade zikhona ngesikhathi boboshwa kade kuyimoto eziwusikhombisa ukuya ngaphezulu.
Yeah.
Yes.
But your evidence in chief differs from the proposition that was put that between 10 and 15 cars arrived there where you were.
Athi kepha ke inkulumo yakho ikhulumile ngesikhathi boqala ukuthula ufakazi bakho ummeli ekubuza ke imibuzo ukuthi kade zongaki imoto kade zikhona ngesikhathi lesi boboshwa bathi wena ke uphe isibalo semoto ngalendlela elandelayo uthe kade kuyimoto eziwusikhombisa kule nkulumo lena ke inokule inkulumo umeli wakubuza ngayo futhi kade kuyimoto ezosikhombisa kuya ngaphezulu
Na-
manje umshushisi athi kungani leyo nkulumo engahambisani nalena ke umeli wakho waqala kade kumnumzana uRamsipili awayisho le nkantolo ukuthi ade ziwu-10 noma zifika ku-15.
namanje ngisasho ukuthi iy'moto ezayifike laphaya zazingaphezu ka-7 abantu ababekhona babengaphezu ka-15
I am still
ngathi 10 kusuka ku-10 kuya ngaphezu ka-15 abantu ababekhona iy'moto zaziyi-7
even now I am still maintaining myself the cars there were 7 or more, and then the people who came there were more than 10 to 15, no 15 to 10.
ngayibala iy'moto zakhona ukuthi kwakuyiphi imoto nayiphi nayiphi.
I even gave a count of the type of vehicles that they were present.
So you say the number that you estimated 10 to 15 represents the persons who were there and not the vehicles.
Manje athi ngabe uthi isibalo lesi saka 10 kuze kufike kwisibalo saka 15 kade kwisibalo sabantu bebakhona kepha akusona isibalo seyimoto.
Ubufakazi sengithula isibili la eboxini nasekuqaleni kwitrial ngasho ngathi iy'moto zaziyi-7 zazingaphezu ka-7 ngathi
I am
abantu
now giving my
babesuka
testimony.
ku-10 beyangaphezu ka-15.
I am now giving my testimony for the second time. I gave my testimony during a trial, within a trial, and I did make mention of the numbers.
Abantu ngathi bangaphezu ka-15
The people who were present, they were more than 15, and the vehicles that they were present, they were also more than 7.
But if you look at page 64, the proposition that was made is to the following effect: on the 20th of July 2023, line 2, the long and short of it, that is now Mr. Ramosipili. The long and short of it is that he was then taken to that car that was parked opposite, and together with several other police cars, he says it was about a convoy of plus minus 10 to 15 police vehicles
Manje
at Ekurhuleni Metro Police Intelligence.
umshushisi ucela ukuthi adubeke akubuyisela kwinkulumo yakhulunywa ngelanga la nge-20 zakaJulayi ngomnyaka 2023 la kwikhasi le-64 la khona umnumzana uRamsipili ade kuwumeli wakho uqala la enkantolo washo konke yena-ke ngokuncipha futhi angekhe inkulumo khona azayenze ukuthi ibende futhi ibeningi kepha imoto kade khona la bakumikisa kuyona kade ime ngakule komgwaqo futhi kade phelekezwa ezinye ke zemoto zamaphoyisa kade zikhona laphayana-ke futhi kade zisalane emuva so zenzeke uconvoy ke ngesingisi ngokuyibalo kade kuyimoto ongathi mhlawumbe kade ziwu-10 noma kade kumuntu eziwu-15 zamaphoyisa alapha Ekurhuleni Metropolis Intelligence futhi nawo wonkana ama-units.
ngicela ukuyicacisa lento le ngoba ngila eboxini
I would like to explain
ngifungile
this.
ngenze isifungo ukuthi ngizokhuluma iqiniso.
I would like to explain this again. As I am standing here on the under the witness box, I took an oath to tell the truth.
Uma ngiboshwa iy'moto ezazikhona zazingaphezu kuka-7
During my arrest, the vehicles in which they were present, they were more than 7.
okwesibili ngifika la eboxini ngifunga ngisho ngithi iy'moto zingaphezu kuka-7 ezazikhona uma ngiboshwa.
This is my second time now standing here in the witness box, giving a testimony, not testifying about the vehicles that were present during my arrest. And I am still maintaining it. They were more than 7 vehicles.
Ngiyakubona lokho kusho uRamsipili la kodwa mina engikushoyo iy'moto zazingaphezu ka-7 ezazikhona uma ngiboshwa.
I do see what Mr. Ramsipili has said under this document. However, the vehicles in which they were present during my arrest, they were more than 7.
Right. Then you say a person, you testified in your evidence in chief that a person took pictures at that point in time.
bathi ukhulumile ke ngesikhathi umilo wakho wabuza ke imibuzo ukuthi khona oyedwa umuntu owakuthatha ke izithombe zakho ngaso lesikhathi lesiya.
yebo khona umlungu wafika ngithatha izithombe ngefoni.
Yes, there is a white person who came to take pictures of myself with a cell phone.
Yes, but my recollection is that this proposition was not put to any witness that a person took pictures of you.
Athi kepha ke
Or took your
lokhu
pictures.
abakaze bayitshele omunye umuntu ukuthi khona ke umuntu othizeni owafika wakuthatha ke izithombe. Athi lokho akaze kushiwo. Noma akaze kukhulunywe.
Mina ngikhulumile.
I did make mention of that. No, I had mentioned that.
Yes, but it was not put to any of the witnesses. It also doesn't appear on this version that was put to Ms. Zandile Khumalo by Mr. Ramusepeli.
Athi yebo wena ke ukushilo kepha kule nkulumo umnumzana uRamsipili okade etshela uZandile Khumalo mayelana nodaba lolo ukuthi khona ke umuntu omhlophe mhlawumbe umuntu ode kumlungu owafika wakuthatha izithombe zakho abakazi le nkulumo bamtshele uZandile Khumalo noma abanye ufakazi abakade bezile la enkantolo bezothula ufakazi babo.
Ngoba ngisho sengifike kabili ukuzokhuluma la eboxini ngifongile. Ekuqaleni ngakusho le nto leyo ngetrial namanje futhi kwi main trial ngiphinde ngakusho futhi. Kwafika umlungu ngishutha izithombe waseyahamba.
Just like as I am standing in here now under the witness box for the second time, I took an oath to tell the truth. I had mentioned that earlier on during a trial within a trial, that a white person came to take pictures of myself. And even now, as I'm standing here under the main trial, I had made mention of that. No, I had mentioned that a white person came in to take pictures of myself during my arrest.
Now, why were your pictures taken?
Wathi kungani bezithatha izithombe zakho?
Izizathu impela angisazi mina. Umuntu ongambuza lo mbuzo lo wayethatha izithombe zami uyo le mlungu.
To be honest, no, personally, I don't know the reason as to why my pictures were taken. The only person who can come and give a court a clarification on that, it is the same white person who came in to take pictures of myself during my arrest.
What happened to those pictures?
Bathi yini enze yakho izithombe zakho lezi bekuthathe zona?
Angazi.
I don't know.
You see, Mr. Sibia, the evidence of Sergeant Mohola, Constables and Constable Buthelezi is clear that it was only the three of them, the Sergeant Mohola, Constable Buthelezi and Constable Sadiki, who were involved in your arrest. There were no any other persons.
Athi mayelana nenkulumo ke amaphoyisa amathathu uSergeant Mohola, Constable Buthelezi, Constable Sadiki icace bhafuthi ebathi ibona kuphela amaphoyisa amathathu kade ekhona ngesikhathi lesi wena kade uboshwa ngaso.
Ngiyaphinda ngiyashaya ikho kanjalo. Akaze beze bebe bathathu mabezongibopha. Babe baningi mabezongibopha ngoba ngithi babe ngaphezulu ka 15. Babe bangaphezulu ka 15 mabengibopha.
I am still maintaining myself again. That is not how it happened. They were not the only 3 officers who arrested me. There were more than 15 of them during my arrest.
Angeke beze bezobopha mina beyi3 bekuma witness enu bebe ngaphezulu ka 3.
They cannot come to me while there were 3 in numbers, and then when they were going to witnesses, and then there would be more than 3 of them.
What do you mean when they were going to be witnesses?
What ngabe usuthini ke ngalonkulumo uqede isho manje?
Nangu uzwana lawathi wabontululwana yemoto.
Zwane came in here to testify, and then he said he saw a lot of vehicles.
Yeah, but we're talking now about the 30th of May, 2020.
athi umshushisi manje sikhuluma ke ngelanga la nge-30 zakaMeyi ngomnyaka ka-2020.
yebo ngoMeyi 30 2020 iy'moto zazingaphezulu kuka-3 zazi more than 7. So ngoba ngisho ngithi kwakungeke kimi bezobopha mina bethi mina ngiyisigebengu bese bethi kufakazi bathi ngowabo iy'moto zibe ngaphezulu kuka-3 kodwa bese uthi kimi babe yi-3 labantu ababezongibopha kodwa kulo muntu wenu uzwana uthi kwakuyintululwana yey'moto.
Yes, I am still saying it even now that during the year 2020 on the 30th of May, the vehicles that came to arrest me, they were more than 3. There were a lot of vehicles. How come they say that there were only 3 of them? Yet with your witness, Mr. Zwane, he said that there were a lot of vehicles when they went to see him.
Amaphoyisa
No, but
ekhona
Mr. Zwane is talking about the 31st of May, the following day, not the 30th. As I explained to you, we're talking about the 30th of May, 2020.
Athi umnumzana uZwane yena inkulumo yakhe kade iqinise kwilanga la nge-31 zakaMeyi ngomnyaka 2020 kepha ke leya kwakubuza ngayo ke uqinise ngelanga la nge-30 zakaMeyi ngomnyaka ka-2020 akakhulumile ngelanga la nge-31.
bengenzela isibonelo ukuthi icourt noma ubone ukuthi lento engishoyo angiqambe amanga ngey-30 zikaMeyi amaphoyisa ngabalile amaphoyisa ayekhona mangiboshwa angaphezulu kuwala amaphoyisa abashoyo bona.
I was only making an example of what happened between those 2 dates, and I even made mention of the names of the officers who were present during my arrest.
Sergeant Mohola testified that they were there to execute a warrant as per Exhibit TT, which relates to the incident of 19 March 2019, which we've already testified about.
Bathi uSergeant Mohola ulethe ufakazi bakhe washo khona njalo ke kade bekubopha ngemuva ukuthi kade phethe incwadi qhamuke enkantolo yokuthi abacinge bese bakubophe futhi incwadi warrant of arrest ke ngesingisi bathi kade yona ke kulokho yakhishwa ngelanga lenge-19 zakaMarch ngomnyaka ka-2019 ekhona ngaphansi kwemibukiso kaTT bathi futhi nawe sele ulethile ufakazi bakho ke mayelana nayo incwadi le.
Mina incwadi akaze ngize ngiyibone incwadi othi yayiphethwe umhola.
I did not see that note of a warrant of arrest in which Mohola had.
Now, Mr. Sibia, why would, on your version, so many police officers be involved in the execution of a warrant of arrest as per Exhibit TT?
Ati manje kuyanjani ke ngawe ukuthi amaphoyisa kade akhona ekubopha abe maningi uma iqhathanisa nenkulumo ekhona ngaphakathi kwale ncwadi bathi imibukiso kaTT noma Exhibit TT?
Mina ngisho amaphoyisa ayefike kimi afika ngibopha lo langa lela ukuthi ayemaningi. Incwadi leyo okhuluma ngayo angaze ngiyibona akaze ngikhulume ngayo. Mina ngisho ukuthi ngey-30 kwafika amaphoyisa kimi ayemaningi kwakungama traffic cop ayegqoka uniform yama traffic cop kungama ophoyisa ayegqoke uprivate. Incwadi akaze ngikhulume ngencwadi mina ngikhuluma ngayo.
I did not speak anything about that note or that letter or the warrant of arrest, which is the Exhibit TT. And then pertaining to the police who came to arrest me, there were a lot of police officers. Some of them, they were wearing their Metropolis uniform. No, they were wearing their Metropolis full uniform. And some of the police officers, they were wearing private clothes or their casual clothes.
Mayiqeda angithatha ngiselithabongi lafika ngishaya khona ngibuza ukufaka senzo Meyi.
After that, they then took me to Litabong. That is when they asked me about the death of Senzo Meyiwa. Then after that, they then assaulted me.
Yes, we'll get to that point.
I informed them that I know nothing about the death of Senzo.
Ngawatshela ngazilutho
Yes,
ukufaka
Mr.
senzo Meyiwa ayikho incwadi abangkhombisayo ukuthi bazongibopha ngayo.
I informed them that I don't know anything about the death of Senzo Meyiwa, and they did not show me any letter.
Yes, the question, Mr. Sibi, was simply this. Why would so many police officers get involved in the execution of a warrant of arrest?
athi umbuzo kade kubuza nomshushisi ukuthi kungani kuba amaphoyisa amaningi.
That is an unfair question.
No.
Objection. That question is unfair. The accused person does not have a responsibility to start to speculate why police would act in a particular way. Thank you.
Uyaqaba ke ummeli wakho ukuthi ubuzwe ke lo mbuzo kade umbuzo lo ungaqondile futhi umbuzo khona awulungile uthi wena kungabuzwe ke ngoba ke lapho kona ugcina sokukhuluma ke into nawe ongenaso isiqiniseko ngayo.
Well, my lord, we submit that it's a fair question. The accused says on his version between 10 and 15 persons were involved in the execution of a warrant of arrest. Now, all that we are asking him, my lord, is why would so many people, why would so many police officers get involved in the execution of a warrant of arrest? It's just as simple as that, my lord. Just to show that this version is improbable.
Athi umshushisi umbuzo nafu umbuzo nje olula futhi ungaphendula nje ngendlela elula ukuthi kungani pho kuba namaphoyisa amaningi ngokwezibalo zemoto zeziphoyisa futhi amaphoyisa kade khona amaningi mhlawumbe
Sorry, before the person answers, I will also rise on the same objection, but further, this is argumentative. My learned colleague wants this witness to draw a conclusion and be a clairvoyant, read into the minds of police officers why a levy of them went to arrest him. He doesn't know that. That's a fair question. That's argumentative as well.
Uyanqaba futhi ke nomeli kaTanzi ukuthi wena ke bakubuze lo mbuzo ngoba athi umbuzo ubona ke amshushisi nabameli abangasengaze babuye futhi kuba kuxisana ngawo ke uma sebeletha ingxoxo yabo ngaphakathi kwenkantolo maphambi kwenkantolo ngoba ke lo mbuzo wena ke manje ufuna ukuthi waqaqe ucagele ngokucabanga wakho usho wena isizathu futhi nawe ungenaso isiqiniseko ukuthi kungani pho nesikhathi kade uboshwa ngamaphoyisa amaningi.
My lord, the state's version is that only 3 police officers were involved in the execution of the warrant of arrest. The defense alleges that the accused was taken to the Tabong and all these many police officers then assaulted the accused. Now, the purpose of this question, my lord, is to demonstrate that only 3 police officers were involved in the execution of a warrant of arrest, and that this version that there were these hordes of police officers who came just to execute a warrant of arrest is implausible, and that affects the state is going to argue that the subsequent version that he was assaulted at Litabong, it's implausible. That's the whole basis.
Well, they say you must put it, I suppose.
Yes.
If it's
Well,
so.
well, we'll just simply put it to that. Your version that so many police officers were involved in the execution of arrest cannot be true in light of the evidence of the state witnesses that only 3 police officers were involved.
Athi umshushisi uzothile inkulumo ayibuye ebike ngalendlela elandelayo. Inkulumo yakho uyikhulumile ukuthi kade kumaphoyisa amaningi la afika ngesikhathi wena ke boboshwa ngaso noma ngenkathi kade uboshwa ngaso ukuthi ayikho leyo nkulumo leyo futhi angeke kuze kube into nje ekhona. Noma mhlawumbe amanga nje lawo kuphela. Kepha uma ngaba yena ebuka ngokuhlangothi lofakazi bezombuso kade kuamaphoyisa amathathu nje kuphela kade akhona ngesikhathi lesi wona boboshwa.
Ngizocela umshushisi awungekho mangiboshwa and ngiyacela ukuthi ungathathi ukuthi isayidi ngicela ukuthi obe court officer ube straight ube neutral ungathi ngiqamba amanga kulokho engishoyo.
I'd like to ask you, my lord, not to say what you have just said simply because of you were not present during my arrest, and please do not take sides. Just be a neutral person.
Yes, I'm putting to you. Sorry.
Ukuthi ngaboshwa amaphoyisa amaningi ngedate zika May 2020 ngiqinisile and namanje ngiyohlala ngisho ukuthi amaphoyisa ayingibopha ayemaningi ngo May 30, 2020.
To say that I was arrested by a lot of police officers, members, on the 30th of May 2020, it is true, and I will forever say it.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I'm putting the state's version to you.
Athi manje kutshela ngenkulumo ehlangothi labashushisi. Noma
Kodwa
ihlangothi ke lezombuso.
kodwa hayi ukuthi uthi nginamanga.
But then not to say that what I am saying it's lies.
No. I said that version is implausible. It cannot be true in light when it is compared to the state's version.
Athi akashilo ukuthi unamanga kepha uthi inkulumo yakho ke inkulumo engekho mhlambi ke engekhe ibe khona ngoba uma ibuka ke inkulumo eqhamuke noma elivezwe abufakazi bezombuso le nkulumo yakho nale nkulumo yobufakazi bezombuso ayihambisani.
Now you've just
Ingoba bakhuluma inkulumo engekho labo fakazi bezombuso.
It is because of those state witnesses, they are saying things which are not true.
Okay. Now, you've just mentioned that during cross-examination by Mr. Musipili, you mentioned that you were not given a copy of the warrant and that it was also not read out to you. Is that correct?
But manje qeda uthi ngesikhathi semaphoyisa adakubopha ngaso bakaze bayikhiphe ke incwadi kade iphuma enkantolo ethi wena kumele amaphoyisa acinge bese akuthole akubophe incwadi wathi warrant of arrest futhi abakaze bakufundele incwadi leyo.
Cha.
No.
Are you saying that they just arrested you without any explanation to you as to why you were being arrested?
Manje umbuzo athi umshushisi ngabe bona ke bakubopha nje kuphela bengakushilo izathu noma bengayishilo izathu zikungani kade uboshwa.
Le ndlela le ngibeke ngayo ukuthi ngaboshwa kanjani ngoba dingela ikatolo nje indlela okwenzakala ngayo akaze beze bengikhombisa indaba zamaphepha akaze beze bengitshela ukuthi bangibophelani bathe uma befike elithabo ilaba ngibuza khona ngokufa kaSenzo Meyi wabengishaya.
During my arrest, they did not show me any letter nor any note, and they did not read out anything to me. What I have said before this court, it is what happened, or it is how it happened. And when we arrived at Litabong, it was only then that they asked me as to what is it that I know about the death of the deceased. And then after I have responded to them by saying that I know nothing about the death of the deceased, that is when they then started to assault me.
But, so your version is that there when you were arrested, no explanation was proffered as to the reason for your arrest.
Umshushisi manje into ayibuzayo ithi ngesikhathi amaphoyisa kade ekubopha abakaze bakunike izathu ukuthi kungani kade bekubopha namhlanje bakufundele into ekade ibhaliwe.
Cha.
No.
No reason.
Yes.
What explanation? The explanation comes after actually there's some interchange.
Yes. Yes, no, as the court pleases. Mr. Ramusepule then put the following proposition that after your arrest, you were forced to go to where you rented a place with your uncle in Tembisa. Is that correct?
But Mnumzana,
Just a clarification. I don't know. The state keeper according to Mr. Ramusipili, is it when now in the trial, is it in a trial or when Mr. Ramusipili was cross-examining him after his identification? I just need to follow profile.
My Lord, I said at the beginning that this is a version that was put to Ms. Zandi Kumalo when she testified.
athi umshushisi inkulumo eyakhulunywa uMnumzana Ramusipili kade akumele njengommeli wakho ile landelayo bathi wena ngemuva ukuthi amaphoyisa akubopha lapha ke ngade bekubophe bekade uboshelwe kuyona bakuthatha bakunikisa kulowa muzi kade uhlala kona ke nomalume umuzi wakhona la umalume wakho kade aqashe kuwona.
I've given the page references. Is page 64 during the proceedings of the 20th of July 2023. From line 19, where Mr. Ramusipili says, I'm indebted, my Lord. He was just correcting a small thing, that all of these police vehicles amongst them. The only one that was marked was the Ekurhuleni Metro Police car. And this is the sentence that we are quoting. From there, he was forced to go to where he resided with his uncle at the rented place in Tembisa.
Bekafunda kumshushiso la mnumzana Ramsipili bekathi khona kuyabonga kwinkantolo kwinkosi yenkantolo mhlawumbe kwinkantolo bese wathina kade wenza ke isilungiso nje kuphela sento encane nje lenkantolo la wathi wena ke imoto zonkana lezi amaphoyisa kade zikhona ngesikhathi lesiboboshwa eyodwa vo imoto kade ibhaliwe noma iqaphwe khona ile laphana imoto yabasebenzi base Ekurhuleni Metro Police iyo nje kuphela bathi ngemuva kwalokho bese nake waphoqwa noma bakufosa ukuthi uhambeke uye kumuzi la umalume wakhe baqashe khona ngaphansi kwendawo yaseThembisa.
Cela ukuyicacisa mina indaba yokuboshwa kwami njengoba na kwi-trial in a trial ngaye ngicacisile namanje ngoba kade ngiqeda ukuba kwi-trial kade ngiyilokhu ngicacisile.
I would like to explain the issue pertaining to my arrest, just like as I had explained it earlier on during my trial, within a trial, and even now as I am standing here before the main trial, I would like to explain it further.
Yes, you've already, Mr. Sibi, you've already given an explanation. We're just taking you through the version that you gave compared to the version that was put on record.
Athi yebo useqiqisile ke indaba yakho nomzana kepha ke manje ukutshela ke ngalokho wena ke ucacisile futhi nenkulumo ekade iqhamuka kumnomzana uRamsipili kade akumele njengommeli.
Now the next question is this.
Mina ngoba ngizela ngizoyikhulumela mina and ngicela ukuthi icourt ithathe konke lokho engikhulumayo ukuthi mina ngithini ngoba la ngifungile ukuthi la ngizokhuluma iqiniso ngizokhuluma inkulumo ngalendlela eyenzakala ngoba ngifuna ukuyichaza ukuthi mina mangiboshwa kwenzakalani.
As I am standing here before this honorable court, I took an oath to tell the truth, and I would humbly ask the court to listen and to take what I am saying it before this court, as I am standing here, because I'm here to tell the things as how they happened.
Now, Mr. Sibia, the question is the following, as you've already had the opportunity to explain. The next question is the following. As a fellow occupant of the room with your uncle, did you have your own key to gain access to the room?
Umbuzo ulona ulandelayo njengomuntu kade uhlala nomalume wakho kule ndawo noma kulamuzi umalume kubaqashiwe kuona ngabe kade unawo yini ukhiya olamuzi ukuthi nawe uma ngabe ufike uyivulele bese uyangena ngaphakathi komuzi?
Besebenzisa ukhiya kodwa nomalume.
Myself and my uncle were using one key or the same key.
Yes, but did you have, on the day in question, did you have the key to the room that you're sharing with your uncle on the 30th of May 2020?
Umbuzo wakho mshushisi uthi ngelanga lela nge-30 zakaMeyi ngomnyaka 2020 ngabe kade unawo ukhiya yini la kuwena ukhiya walamuzi kade malume wakho iqashiwe kuona?
Cha.
No.
Because Constable Buthelezi testified, and this we see during the proceedings of the 31st of October 2023 at page 46. From line 8, he testified as follows. He said the shack was locked with a chain and there was a padlock outside. The key was in his, referring to you, in your right pocket. When he showed me, when he said I can take the key out, he said the key is here. He then asked me to take the key out and open the shack.
May I please have to see? bekafuna kwinkulumo kade sicelwe la inkantolo ke umshushisi yenza ngelanga la nge-31 zaka-October ngomnyaka ka-2023 la bathi phakathi kunomzana uButhelezi futhi nonomzana ke uBaloyi la bebakubuza khona mayelana nodaba lokhiya lwaleya ukhiya lomuzi kade wena nomalume wakhe unihlala kuwona mhlawumbe kade umalume eqashe kuwona ke sonokuhlala naye umalume bathi wena-ke umsolwa wena obalekelela futhi wabatshengisa la kade umkhukhu khona ukhona nendawo ubatshengisa ngesandla sakho bese ngala ngesikhathi athathingisela lapha kula mkhukhu kade nathola umkhukhu khona uvalile ngesheni futhi nelokho la uvale ngaphandle bathi umnumzana Baloyeni basathi yebo bese umnumzana uButhelezi washo khona zathi usikhiya kade ukhona la ngaphakathi kuwena ke noma kade ukhona ngaphakathi ekhukhwini lakho iphakethi lakho la lana ke isandla sakho sokudla la se-light bathi wena ngesikhathi bekacetha ubatshengisa sona kula khona wamkhipha ukhiya khona ngaphakathi kwepocket lakho bese ke bona balivula phakathi kwalamusi
hayi le nkulumo le inkulumo engekho nje le ekhulunywa uButhelezi la inkulumo engekho
what Buthelezi said it is the shack in which my uncle was renting out.
umkhukhu kamalume awukhiwa ngesheni.
My uncle does not make use of a chain and a padlock, a chain to lock the shack.
Unento le efaka ukhiye nga eshayelwa la eplangweni ishayelwe ezivalweni ihlanganise bese ufaka ilock phakathi. So
my lord, as the witness was demonstrating now, he is saying that the shack in which his uncle was renting out, it only has
ishayelwa into la enento so bese kuba nento eso ishayelwa ezivalweni bese ifika lethi ingena so kanje bese ufaka ilock la.
As the witness was demonstrating now, he says there is something, a thing or something which is used to be placed on the door of the shack.
Yeah.
Yes, on the door of the shack, and he made use of his right hand to give a demonstration, and also his left hand. That thing, it has kanjiba.
Lento mawishayele we flame iba so.
The witness is demonstrating once more, my lord, making use of, he just took a toilet paper and then he just rolled it. And then he said that thing, when it's attached to the door frame, it becomes like this, of a shape.
Bese kuthi le shayele ezivalweni ima so le nto leya mawuyifaka uyifaka so bese ufaka ukhiye la.
Then the one that will be by the door, no, attached by the door, it is more like this.
So
then you
it says
see this one is on the door, and then he has just demonstrated making use of his left arm.
Then
with his right arm, he says that thing, it is attached to the door frame.
Bese mawuvala lento le uyifaka la bese ufaka ilock la.
Then he says when you are closing, then when you are closing the door, that thing, I mean, it is made out of a steel. Then when you are closing the door, the one which is attached to the door, it has to go in a line with the one that is attached on the door frame. Thereafter that, you take a lock. As soon as this one clips over the one which is attached at the door frame, the one on the door, as soon as it goes over the one which is attached at the door frame, then you simply place a lock to lock up the house.
But that was the evidence of Constable Buthelezi, and that was not disputed.
Bathi kade kufaka kuwe lokho kwethu lokufakazi lobo bethula umnumzana ke uButhelezi futhi akekho umuntu owaphika ufakazi bakhe.
Laba bantu laba sebekhulume mhlambe iminyaka emithathu yonke bekhuluma bungaphikisa inkulumo yakhe umuntu nomuntu.
Those people, they've came here for almost for a period of 3 years. And then how come you dispute each and every one of them when they came in
Ukhiye
to testify?
besebenzisa ukhiye oyi1 nomalume.
We're using the same key, myself and my uncle.
Yes. And is it correct that Constable Buthelezi is the one who physically arrested you?
But I'm going to say to Constable Buthelezi uyena kumuntu wakubopha. Yasebenzisa uyena mathupha wakubopha nomhlambi kade adelekelwa umuntu.
Ukungifakoza Nkosi.
To handcuff me,
Yes.
athi yebo ufakoza Nkosi.
Baningi abantu ababekhona lapha ngibona ukuthi uyena ngoba babefaka amabhala glove bonke laba bantu.
There were so many of them who were present there during my arrest, and then they were wearing their paraclaves. Therefore, I was unable to tell as to who was who amongst them.
Bonke laba bantu begqoke i-traffic cop babefaka amabhala glove bonke.
All those who were from the traffic corps, they were wearing their paraclaves, all of them.
See, Constable Buthelezi testified that he arrested you using what he described as a takedown method.
Tear down.
Take down.
Oh.
Yes, takedown method.
Thank you, my lord. Bathi umnumzana uButhelezi uchawasho echaza la enkantolo ngesikhathi bakubopha wasebenzisa ke le method wathi ukuthatha umuntu umlahlele phansi noma uthatha umuntu umbeke phansi.
Akaze beze bengibeke phansi mina. Kodwa abakushoyo bathi mabe sikhomba ngebhame ezinkulu. Bavela basikhomba ibhame ezinkulu bathi futhi phansi. Salala phansi.
They did not take me down. However, as soon as those police arrived with their big firearms, they simply said, Futsek, lie down. And indeed, we then lied down on the ground.
Now, back at the room that you shared with your uncle, Mr. Ramusipili put the following version when cross-examining Ms. Zandi Kumalo on the 20th of July 2023 at page 64. Says, fortunately, when they got at the yard, they found his uncle
Bathi umnumzana uRamsipili watshela ke okay uZandi Khumalo inkulumo ethi ngenhlanhla ke ngesikhathi kade befika lapha kuleya muzi bathola umalume wakho.
and only seated near the gate at that residence.
Bathi umalume ahlezi duze nesango lokungena kuleya muzi.
His uncle was in the company of a person named Tuli,
Bathi umalume wakho kade ahlezi nomunye ke umuntu wesibili ogama lakhe kuThuli.
who he says he was his uncle's co-worker.
Futhi bathi uThuli loyo ke kade kuyingane kamalume. No, my apologies. Bathi uThuli umuntu kade asebenza nomalume wakho.
Now, they told his uncle that he's been arrested and forced his uncle to go and open the room
Bathi
in which
batshela
both him and his uncle were staying, and they searched that area.
bathi batshela umalume wakho ukuthi nasubushiwe futhi aqithe umalume abathathe abanikise ngaphakathi kwendlu lapho befuna noma phakathi kwalamuzi lapho befisa khona ukusesha kodwa befuna khona ke ukusesha.
Indeed, a search was conducted and nothing was found at those premises, and they then left with him.
Bathi empeleni futhi nangeqiniso basesha ngaphakathi komuzi kepha ke ngeshwa ke noma ngebhadi akunalutho abalithola bathi ngemuva ukuthi bangatholile kade ngenalutho abalitholile bese bahamba.
But in your evidence in chief, you testify that with your first visit, no one was found at the rented room. Is that correct?
bathi kepha ke ngesikhathi uDr ufakazi bakho ngesikhathi ummeli wabuza ke imibuzo wena uthe akunamuntu enamthola kula muzi.
namanje ngisho kanjalo uma sifika umalume abamtholanga babuye bathi bona akukho umuntu lapha babuya bangena emotweni kwahanjwa kwayiwa eLithabong.
Even now, I am still maintaining that we did not, during our first visit, we did not find anyone. Then they came back. When they came back from the house, it was then that they told me that they did not find anyone. From there, they then got inside the vehicles and then they then drove with me to Lithabong.
Mabebuye eLithabong ilaba khahlela khona umnyango bese bengena ngaphakathi bayasesha.
On our way coming back from Lithabong, it was only then that they kicked at the door. No, they kicked in the door. As soon as they kicked the door, it was when they entered inside the house.
And akekho umuntu engimaziyo kuthiwa uThulo osebenza nomalume.
And there is no person who goes by the name of Thuli that I know, and there is no Thuli that is my uncle's co-worker.
But how do you explain all these contradictions, Mr. Sibiya, between what was put by Mr. Ramusipili and your evidence currently?
Mshushisi manje lokho okungahambisani kwenkulumo le wena kuyishilo njengamanje la ngaphansi kwesifungo futhi inkulumo adisho uMnumzana Ramusipili ngabe wena uchaza kanjani lo ngahambisani kwenkulumo?
La mina ngoba ngisho ukuthi kwi trial in the trial inkulumo engayibekayo inkulumo engiyibeke namanje kwi main trial.
I am still
ngoba
maintaining,
bengichaza kwi main trial ngoba ngangifungile ngizochaza la eboxini inkulumo engayichaza engichaza namanje futhi ukuthi mina ngaboshwa kanjani.
even now as I am standing here under the witness box, I am still maintaining myself by saying the following. Whatever that I have said here now on the main trial under the oath, no, under the witness box, it is what I mentioned earlier on during my trial within the trial, simply because of I am standing here, and before I stood here, I then took an oath to tell the truth.
And the proposition goes further to this effect that before they left, his uncle asked one of the officers by the name of Bongani. He asked an officer, the first name is Bongani. He does not know the surname, that where are they taking accused number 1, 2, and Bongani replied by saying, rather the uncle give the police the uncle's contact number, they will then let you know later.
Bathi futhi khona ke umalume khona owakubuza kumaphoyisa ukuthi nanoma engenaso iqiniseko ukuthi kubani isibongo sakhe kepha igama lephoyisa kade kuwuBongani ukuthi ngabe kumshana bamthatha bamikisa kuphi bese wathi yena kungakuhle ukuthi atholeke inombolo zocingo zakhe umalume.
Inkulumo engiyikhulumile la ecourt namanje ngisayiphinda. Amaphoyisa mayefika ethi ngiwabonisa la kuhlala khona umalume awamficanga umalume. Sahamba saya eLithabong sabuya bangamfica umalume. La afika khahlela khona umnyango omkhukhu amalume angena ngaphakathi.
I am still maintaining myself by saying what I had already said before this honorable court. During our first visit at the house in which my uncle was renting out, at the shack in which my uncle was renting out, the police did not find my uncle. Thereafter that, they came back into the vehicles. As soon as they got into the vehicles, they then drove with me to Lithabong. Then while we were still at Lithabong, they then drove again to my uncle's place. And that is when they kicked the door of the shack. And during that period, my uncle was still not present.
Ngikushilo lokho kwi trial in the trial namanje futhi ngiyaphinda ngiyakusho.
And I said that during a trial, within a trial, and I am still repeating it again here under the main trial, no, on the main trial.
Is it correct that on the day in question you were wearing a sky blue Brentwood trouser.
But ngabe kuyiqiniso ukuthi ngelanga leliya owaboshwa ngalo ukuthi ugqoke ke ibhulukwe wathi li sky blue le trouser.
yebo
Yes.
A white vest and an Adidas top.
Bathi ke ne vest elimhlophe futhi nengubo elangaphezulu kuwena kodwa bathi Adidas.
yebo
Yes.
As well as flip-flops.
Futhi ke no phaqo ama flops. Ama flip flops.
angigqoke uphaca be-Adidas ama-flip-flops angiwazi mina.
I was wearing no, my apologies once more. Cela ungiphindele futhi mfowethu.
angigqoke uphaca be-Adidas.
I was wearing Adidas sandals.
Yes, this was Sergeant Mohola referred to. And
Kathi leyo nto uSergeant Mohola bekakhuluma ngayo naye noma wakhuluma ngayo.
the Adidas top that you were wearing, is it the same top that you were wearing during the pointings out on the 5th of June 2020? I'll just show you the picture now.
Bathi lela top lakho la Adidas kade uligqokile ngelanga loboshwa ngalo ileli futhi boligqokile ngelanga leli bohambe namaphoyisa uyowatshengisa mhlawumbe amaphoyisa utshengisa wena ke ukuthize mhlawumbe bakhomba khona ukuthize futhi pointing out ke ngesingisi.
yebo yiyo le engangigqokile la engiholela khona amaphoyisa la ethi ngikhombe khona phasi akhomba phansi yiyo le Adidas engangigqokile ngandla.
Yes, it is the same Adidas top in which that I was wearing when the police took me to instruct me to go and do the pointing out, and then they instructed me to point out on the ground, and indeed that is what I did.
Now, is it correct that you requested to change your trousers?
But hambe kuqiniso ukuthi wena ngabe kuqiniso yini ukuthi wacela ukuthi ushintshe ke isikhindi sakho mhlawumbe ibhulukwe athi uligqokile?
Cha akulona iqiniso.
No, that is not correct.
Yes. Sergeant Mohola testified that you requested to change the Brentwood trouser, as you said that that they would steal it in prison.
But uSergeant Mohola wethula ufakazi bakhe washo ukuthi wena ke wacela ukuthi ushintshe ibhulukwe lakho weligqokile le Brentwood kade li sky blue ngokumbala ngoba kade bezontshontsha ejele.
Akusile iqiniso lela manga.
That is not true, it's all lies.
Mina ukushintsha kwami iblue ngishilo ukuthi ngishintshiswe kanjani.
When I changed my trouser, I have explained it as to why nor how.
Ngifikile la eKatolo ngifungile ngafike ngasho ukuthi ibhluke lashintshwa kanjani.
I came before the court, I took an oath, and I explained as to how my trouser got to be changed.
Ngoba umhula usho esinye isizathu nobuthelezi nawo usho esinye isizathu ukuthi ngashitshelana iblue.
Simply because of Mohola said something different from what Buthelezi has said pertaining to the issue of the trouser.
Bakhuluma into ongesiyona.
They are both saying something which is untrue, which is not true.
Now, in cross-examination, Mr. Ramosepele asked you as to what happened to your clothes. You said the police took them. Which clothes were you referring to?
Athi ngesikhathi umzantu people semramsipili bakuza kumibuzo wena wathi amaphoyisa ayithatha ingubo zakho athi igqokile kuwena manje kumbuzo ngabe athi ukhuluma ngeziphi ke ingubo lezibugqokile?
Ngikhuluma ngoBrentwood, ngikhuluma ngeUnder yayimanzi.
I was referring to the Brentwood and the underpant which was wet,
neUnder nayo nebhluke nayo lalimanzi.
and even the trouser was wet. It was wet.
But why would the police take those clothes?
Bathi kungani amaphoyisa ngaze athathe ingubo lezo?
Lo mbuzo lo uright ungabuza wona amaphoyisa ukuthi wayithathile.
That question
Kodwa wona
it
ayithatha.
is right, no, it is correct. However, it should be directed to the police officers as to why did they take away my clothes, and indeed they took them.
You see, when you were testifying in your evidence in chief, you did not mention that the police took your clothes until Mr. Ramosepele asked you that question.
bathi ngesikhathi buqala ukuthula kofakazi bakho awushilo ukuthi amaphoyisa ayithatha ingubo zakho kwaze kufika isikhathi la umnumzana uRamsipili bekuye bakubuza kulawo nokhulume ngakho lolo daba namhla ngalo lolo daba lokuthi amaphoyisa ayithatha ingubo zakho boqhuzile.
No objection for the clarification. Is that still what was still being put to Zandile Khumalo?
We have since moved on, my lord. I refer to the cross-examination of Mr. Ramasipil of this witness. It is during the cross-examination of Mr. Ramasipil just last week.
Now, it only is negative, my lord, of the fact that our level of concentration have gone down, because I never heard the statement you say it's moving over to a cross-examination of Mr. Ramsipili that was done last week. I thought they were still being busy with the version that was put to Zandile. On that note, I request that you adjourn for tomorrow.
Uyasho ke ummeli wakho ukuthi bekabuza ukuthi lokhu ngabe kade kubuzwa ngesikhathi leso uZandile Khumalo bekala nenkantolo uthula ufakazi bakhe noma sele kuyenyeke inkulumo bese waphakama umshushisi wathi cha siyaqedile ngodaba lokaZandile Khumalo manje kakhuluma ke ngenyeke inkulumo eyenzekile esontweni lendlule ngesikhathi lesi wena buqala ongena ngaphansi kwesifungo wethula kofakazi bakho la kuze khona ukuthi kungani udaba lombuzo nomhlalo udaba lwenkulumo ethi ingubo zakho amaphoyisa ayithatha hamba nazo ungalishilo noma ngalikhulumile ngesikhathi lesumeli wakho umnumzana advocate Mnisi baqala kubuza ke imibuzo kepha wabuya wakhuluma ngakho uma ngabe umnumzana uRamsipili sekabuya ke kubuza ke imibuzo manje ecela kummeli wakho uthi ngoba ke manje nakasenako umcabanga ukuthi ahlale kahle la enkantolo futhi alalele futhi asale emuva okwenzeka enkantolo ukuthi kusenkantolo isidedele sibuye futhi kusasa.
Can the witness just answer this question before we adjourn? It's 15:25. It's close to the normal sitting of the court. If the witness can just answer this question. Yes. Why did you not mention it in your evidence in chief that your trouser and the other clothes that you've mentioned were taken until Mr. Ramasipili asked you that in cross-examination?
Umbuzo ke uthi kungani inkulumo yakho ethi amaphoyisa ayithatha ingubo zakho ungakaze uyikhulume ngesikhathi ummeli wakho bekubuza ke imibuzo kepha ke ubuye uyikhulume uma umnumzana uRamsipili kade kuye bekubuza ke imibuzo.
Makuyikuthi angikhulumanga shuthi ngikhohliwe ukuthi ngikhulume kodwa ngitrial ngayikhuluma njengoba injalo. So umuntu ke uyenzeka okunye akukhohlwe okunye akukhumbule ngoba nawe nje ubhala phansi ezinye izinto uma ngikhuluma enzela ukuthi ungakukhohlwa. So mina angibhali phansi ngikucabanga yonke lento le ngiyayikhumbula ngokomqondo wami ngiyawusebenzisa kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi uthothi 20 la ngenza trial ngakukhumbula ngakusho uthothi manje angisakukhumbuli ngikukhohliwe kodwa akusikho ukuthi akwenzakalanga kwenzakala impahla zami bayithatha uBrainwood neAnda yahamba noMabhena.
If you are saying that I did not make mention of that, it does not mean that I had forgotten to make mention of it. Simply because of whatever that I am saying, not telling here before the court, it is something that is reflecting back onto my mind, no, in the back of my mind. And it is things that had happened before, and even before the trial, within the trial, I think I did make mention of it. And even you, my lord, as you are standing there, you are taking notes so that you cannot forget what I am saying, so that you can come back and ask it. And during the trial, within the trial, I did make mention of it that my clothes, they were taken away by the police officers.
Akusikho ukuthi mangakushongo mhlawumbe ngoba ngibengikhohliwe akwenzakalanga kwenzeka amaphoyisa ayithatha impahla zabo.
It does not necessarily mean that now that I did not make mention of it, it doesn't mean that it is something which never happened. I might have forgotten to make mention of it, and the police indeed they took away my clothes.
Yes. You see, Sergeant Mohola and Constable Buthelezi never testified that any items of your clothes were taken.
bathi manje kuyabona ukuthi uSergeant Mkhula futhi noConstable Buthelezi abakaze bakhuluma ukuthi ingubo zakho zathathwa.
abakaze bakhuluma ukuthi zathathwa and akaze bekhuluma ukuthi uma ngiqeda ukuyigunyuliswa zashonaphi.
They did not say my clothes were taken, and they did not say after I was undressed what happened to my clothes.
We can take the adjournment.
Sorry, did I ever hear somebody in this court say somebody messed up his trousers?
Yes,
I remember these things.
we're going to touch.
I don't keep notes.
We're going to touch on it
Oh,
tomorrow.
I see. That's